Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
Today we're going to work on two moments very important for you when you are dancing, finishing the move from Ochos or Heroes, how to connect and how to do it properly.
This will be for both of us, but mainly for the follower, how to correct these common mistakes.
Before going to the video, remember to like if you're enjoying it, subscribe and share with your friends.
Without further ado, let's start working right away. Alright, here we are and we're going to show you the first case. Here's the thing, 1 and 2, how we end at this moment, and from here a normal resolution, for example. This wasn't a step, but where was the problem?
So when we are coming from right side of a leader, mostly we have to be careful, followers, to keep opening your right shoulder and hips to re-embrace the leader. Let me show you the moment again. So we are doing a front ocho. This is very much on his right side. And I have to step in front with my left leg, face the leader. If you notice, I have my right shoulder open, hips open, and then I feel the lead to pivot. And I'm going to stop my rotation, my pivot in close embrace, opening right shoulder and left hips a little bit to diagonal, not facing square to the leader. And from here, we can do the resolution or the next step. So where is the mistake that we see sometimes on the dance floor or students coming to have correction? And this is a mistake. If we are doing again the same move, we have the ocho, front ocho. Some followers are doing this rotation too much, closing the shoulder, closing the hips, and he encounters a big problem to walk again. It's like almost like your energy to rotate will push him forward. So from here you have to make a little effort to go front, and your foot doing back step will look not good. Let me show you. So we are coming from just the last part. If I over rotate, look at my foot. When I go back, it will look like this instead of this. In order to open the foot position, the knee, legs in good position, I have to open the hips and a little bit the shoulder. If the shoulder tries to be square, it's hard to open. So I will close everything and I will go back. Yeah.
Sure.
And that's exactly the accident.
I thought you were doing it good.
That's exactly the accident that happens if you don't open your toe. He'll step on your toe because you are too close from the hip, from the shoulder. And that was really good that it happened for real. He stepped on me, okay? So,
sorry, Miri.
And you see, and then you complain, he steps on me. He's a bad leader. No, he's not a bad leader. You need to add more technique to your moves, okay? And I'm getting serious now. So,
no, another problem that happened here, exactly in the same case. Let me show you the same case, but from the other side.
Yes.
At this moment, when the follower, for example, we like to dance in close embrace, correct? But if the follower thinks, oh, I want to be closer, and she closes here, what you are actually doing is opening. Can you see that the leader no longer can reach, because since you are closing this side, the other one must open. So it ends up being in open embrace, basically. So, and the other problem happens if I want to walk. I feel that almost, if I do it without you, I feel if I try to keep the close embrace, I feel you are dragging me and I cannot step in line. That's the problem that little thing will cause.
So we'll show you one more time from the other angle so they can see it. And we'll see you again from the side step to the front ocho. Front ocho, I will close embrace, going front, pivoting on the left, keeping the right side and the left side closed. Right side is a little more open to position. Let's change again to this angle so you compare. Let's do front ocho, we close embrace, we going up, pivoting, but not closing this area. Also, he has a little bit open the left side. I noticed that too.
Yep.
And then we go to resolution and we finish. Okay, let's try to do it again from this angle. So followers, pay attention on the embrace, how we close embrace here, and open on my right side. So we do side, front ocho, I close embrace, 2, and the move pivoting, keep the right side open and the left side close to walk in resolution. Let's try one more time from this side so they can see all the angles. So we're doing side step to ocho.
And crossing, rotating, closing embrace. Getting together, close embrace without closing the shoulder. I'm opening a little bit the embrace as well, the shoulder, sorry. And resolution in line.